Mastery practice question 2. Solve this equation. Okay, so here we have minus and plus, so we have to expand this equation. So it becomes 5n times 5 power 1 minus 5n plus 5n times 5 power negative 1 equals to 105. Okay, so here we have 5 power 1, so this will just become 5n, and this is just 1 of 5n, and 5 negative 1 becomes 1 over 5, so 1/5 of 5n. Right, so 5 of 5n, 1 5n, 1 over 5n. You can imagine 5 oranges minus 1 orange plus 1/5 of an orange. So 5 minus 1 plus 1 over 5, we get 21 over 5. (5n) equals to 105. So making 5n the subject, we get 105 divided by 21 over 5. Okay, this one we bring there, become divide. Okay, so 105 divide 21 over 5. We write it like this now. Divide 21 over 5. We get 25. So if 5n is 25, 25 is equivalent to 5 square. So n equals to 2. Done.